Good morning, children. Today's our topic first aid. Open the textbook, page number 197, EVS 5th lesson. In 5th lesson, I am going to explain about one of the topics, that is first aid. Children, do you know what is meant by first aid? First aid is the first and immediate treatment given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious injury. In other words, we can say that when you provide basic medical care to someone experiencing a sudden injury or illness, it's known as first aid. Children, I am asking one question. While you were playing, suddenly when you will get any injury, did you observe your mother what she will do for you? This is known as first aid. See the textbook? First aid. The immediate help given to an injured person before a doctor comes or before the patient is taken to the hospital is called first aid. Children, have you seen a first aid box? What does it contain? A first aid box contains cotton, bandage, scissors, plaster and an antiseptic cream or lotion. See children, what is first aid box? The box that contains certain items needed to give first aid. What is meant by bandage? Bandage, a long piece of soft material that you tie around a wound or injury. What is antiseptic? A substance that helps to prevent infection in wounds by killing germs. Children, what is the use of first aid box? It is important for a number of situations that don't require to go to the hospital immediately. It contains cotton, bandage, scissors, plasters, antiseptic cream and also gloves. See children, this is first aid box. Need for first aid. First aid given to comfort the injured person. Children, do you know what is the meaning of injury? A person who has physically damage to any part of their body, usually as a result of an accident or fighting. So, first aid is given to comfort the injured person. Next, first aid prevents the injury from becoming worse. See children, what is the meaning of worse? A more serious event or situation. Turn the page. First aid can save a person's life. If you happen to see an accident, call for an adult immediately. Children, adult means your parents, elders, or brothers, sisters, or neighbors. So, if you happen to see an accident, call for an adult immediately so that first aid can be given to the injured person. Next, first aid in case of an injury. If there is an injury, what should we do? First, wash the affected area with water and wipe off the blood with cotton wool. Next, apply antiseptic cream on the injury. Antiseptic means free from germs. Next, tie a bandage if there is too much bleeding. Children, bleeding means the process of losing blood or having blood flow. So, tie a bandage if there is too much bleeding. You can stop the bleeding by tying the bandage. So, tie a bandage if there is too much bleeding. Next, if the injury is serious, take the person to the doctor immediately. See children, see here. Even a minor cut can become a serious long-term problem if it is not properly treated immediately after the injury. See children, this is first aid. First aid can reduce infections from wounds and injuries. First aid, children, almost everyone will need to use a first aid box at some time. So you have to prepare your own first aid kit for your family's safety. You have to carry this first aid box while traveling also. It is necessary for every household so that you can protect them when they get injury. Okay children, let us see a video.
First Aid Introduction. Today, Ravi is happy as he has come for a picnic with his family. Ravi and his little sister Reena are playing on a swing. Suddenly, Reena falls from the swing and her knee gets injured. Oh, she has started crying. Seeing this, Ravi quickly takes her to their parents. Ravi asks his father whether they should call a doctor as Reena is injured. Father tells him that there is no need to call a doctor and takes out a box from his bag. He first washes his hands and then washes Reena's wound with water. He also cleans the wound with a piece of cotton dipped in antiseptic liquid. He puts some antiseptic ointment over the wound, covers it with medicated cotton, and ties a bandage over it. Ravi is surprised to see that his father has brought antiseptic lotion, cotton, bandages, etc. for the picnic. Father tells him that this box is a first aid box that he always carries with himself whenever he goes for a trip. But Ravi does not understand what first aid means. First aid is the immediate and temporary care given to a victim of accident or sudden illness. Injuries like bites and stings, eye and nose injuries, heat stroke, burns, poisoning, etc. can be treated with first aid treatment. Note that full medical treatment is required if the injury or illness is severe.